Erosion issues. Over-allocated waterways and river pollution in the Gisborne District were all put under the microscope yesterday during a rally for clean water. About 80 people, including a range of environmental advocates, school children, councillors and the public, joined the rally at Heipipi Endeavour Park at midday.
And if we don't say anything, nothing will happen. Yep. And a lot of us can say, oh, you know, you guys just always negative, you know. You're just focusing on all the negatives. What about all the positives? I mean, shucks, we see on TV these new advertisements by Fonterra saying how awesome their milk is for all the schools. But in actual fact, cows outnumber us 4-1. We have too many cows in New Zealand. Where's all that poo going? Yeah, it's being drained, and if it's not being drained properly, it's going into our fresh waterways.
Tiaki te wai, protect our water, and he ora te wai, water is life, were just a few of the messages painted across colourful signs, held by young and old and cheered on by passing cars and trucks. Waiata and haka by Te Kura Kaupapa Maori Ngā Uia Maui set the scene for the rally, which had a general theme of protecting water for future generations.